Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google My Business account permanently. Let's get started. So once you reach your Google Business, you're going to look for 3 vertical dots. And you're going to look for something which says Business Profile Settings. You're going to click on that. So now we have different options here. People and Access, Advanced Settings, Remove Business Profile, Linked Accounts. So now you need to click on Remove Business Profile. So now it says, stop managing this profile, mark this business as closed, remove profile content and managers. So let's say that you want to stop managing the account and you want to transfer that ownership to someone else. You're going to click on the first option, which says stop managing this profile. And then you're going to press on this little add option here to include other people to manage this account. Now, if you really want to delete your business, you're going to go to remove profile content and managers. It'll say, if you remove all content and managers, all posts, photos, and videos added by you will be permanently removed. So what it does, it will basically remove everything. So now we're going to scroll down. Now, if you want to download your content as like for a backup, you can press on it here. And here, mark your business as permanently closed. So you can either choose to switch it off or on, and then press continue. So now it'll say remove content and managers from this business profile. Content added by you and all manager access will be permanently removed. So once you've decided to remove the account, you can just press on remove. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.